loaded 10 yards and I'm going to be taking them to Diamond Bar. So let's head on out to Diamond Bar. Finished up that job in Diamond Bar. I already washed out the pump wash and I'm gonna get loaded right now for my next job that's in Chino, and that's gonna be a small load of 3.5 yards and it's gonna be for a footing is what I heard. So I'm gonna take it a little bit dry, but yeah, I'm next to get loaded, so let's go get loaded. Guys, I just loaded my second load of 3.5 yards. What a coincidence, because yesterday my brothers were talking about going to a new coffee shop that is also in Chino, and I was a little bit jealous because I had to work. I wasn't going to be able to go, but what a coincidence that my next job is in Chino and the coffee shop is in Chino too. So I just looked at the cameras and they haven't left yet, so I'm going to send them a message and be like, hey, like I actually have a job in Chino, and see if they'll bring me a matcha. We'll see what they say, but literally the job is probably 4 minutes away from the coffee shop they were gonna go try. So let's see what happens, but as of now, let's make our way over there with our 3.5 yards. Alrighty guys, I'm done at this job. I got my matcha. My brothers actually came and dropped me off a matcha and even dropped one off for the pumper. That was so nice of them. But I'm done with this job. I'm gonna head back to the plant, and then I think I have another job, which I think is Slurry. So let's head on over there, dump the pump wash, and then get loaded. Alright guys, I made it to my Fullerton job. It looks like they're not ready, so I'm gonna eat my lunch, which I have aguachiles today. I'm so excited. I haven't eaten nothing today because I've been really busy. So this is gonna be my first meal of the day besides that matcha. I have my tostadas, my mayonnaise, and my aguachiles. I'm so excited because it's a pretty hot day today. So this is gonna be so yummy right now. I brought 10 yards. He told me they wanted a 5.5. I brought it at a 5. So let's adjust my slump. I'm gonna take you guys with me to go see what they're pouring because it looks like it's a lot of hoses all the way into the backyard. So let's go check it out. just loaded up another 10 yards for the same job that I was just at. Alright guys, we're finishing up here. The pupper's just washing out. I'm gonna go charge, and then we're on to maybe our next job. It's gonna rain and there's gonna be thunder on Thursday. Keep in mind, it's been really hot. Yesterday was at 93. Today's probably gonna be hotter than yesterday, and it's raining in 2 days and thunder, which is really odd, but people are scared, so they're moving the days. They're canceling Thursday and they're moving their work to other days. But tomorrow's already Wednesday, and then Thursday there's gonna be rain. I don't know if there's gonna be rain. I hope there is, but if it rains, I want it to rain real rain, like real hard rain. Last year in the wintertime, it would say it would rain and we wouldn't work. It would just sprinkle little drizzles and then go away, and it was such a tease. So hopefully on Thursday it rains and it pours and it brings cats and dogs. So we'll see, but that does move all the work to the other days. Good morning, people. It's Thursday, the day of the rainstorm and the thunder and all of that. It only rained overnight, and I'm actually going to work today. Good thing is that I packaged some lunch yesterday, so I had that ready, and I decided to wash clothes because, like, what if I do work? But I swear I thought I wasn't going to work because it looked like it was going to rain all up until 11 today. But I got a message last night saying, like, put your alarm at 6 in case you do work, and it turns out I do work. And it's still super gloomy yesterday. All it did was rain last night. So I'm on my way to work now. Okay guys, I just picked up the truck. It looks like I'm the only one working today, which is so sad. I really thought it was gonna rain, so I had already like planned my day out. I was gonna go to a coffee shop and edit inside the coffee shop while it rains, but no. We'll see how long my day is. I'm not sure if there was a lot of work. I just heard about this job. We'll see, but I have 10 yards that I'm gonna go load up at the plant right now that are going to Roland Heights. So we're gonna see what they're pouring. We'll just see how our day goes. It's Thursday. The weather is super gloomy. The clouds are out. It's dark, but it's still hot. It's so gross. It's very hot. Like, I didn't even need a hoodie. I'm just wearing a long sleeve, and that was it. But okay, let's make our way to the plant to load these 10 yards. Hey guys, I just made it to the job and I backed up into the pub already. I just now realized that we're at the same house that I came to last week, where we showed up, me and the pumper, and no one was here, so we didn't end up pouring, and it was 10 yards. So we had to go take those 10 yards to another job. But I guess we're here today and we're gonna pour the 10 yards now today. So let's go see what they're pouring. Alright guys, I just got word that that's it. We're done. I'm done. I'm already at the plant. I already washed out, but that was really easy. I thought I was still gonna have like another job at least at work, but I guess that's it. So that's good.